How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. That's it right there?
Hey, I have it here, so leave it here so you know how much.
Okay, that too? If you want to include that, I'll just $20 extra, okay?
Okay.
Which form of payment would you like to use?
I pay cash.
Oh, cash. Okay, gotcha.
Cool, right?
Yeah, cool. That works. You wanna? We're gonna have to get it from the side. You ready?
Yep.
Anchor it. Anchor it. I'll push it.
There you go.
Just take it over there, untarp. We get the small stuff. But that's nice that you live close to work. I live all the way in Selma, so like 35 minutes away.
Oh, really?
It's a far drive. And it's not fun when there's traffic because you're pretty much always going to be late to work.
Oh.
Yeah, be careful. There's two wasps that came out of the fridge, I think.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Kill them.
See the other one?
Oh yeah, there is.
There's a wasp nest in there or what?
I don't know, but oh, there's 3. Oh my gosh, that's scary. No, I'm gonna just make space right here. Oh, we had a couple wasps in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
There's one right there.
Where?
On the fridge.
Yeah.
How long was it sitting out there for?
A month ago.
Oh, a month ago? Okay.
I don't think so. Maybe they're just in there.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
There they go. Where?
Okay, all right. We got him out. That's the main thing.
Coming back.
What?
Coming back.
Let's do it now. Oh. Okay, I got it. I'm going back your way. This we'll just throw right here on the side. Sweet. That's everything, right? All right, sir.
So 150, okay?
150.
Yeah.
That's a 10 extra. I appreciate your business, okay?
Okay.
I guess I'll see you over there, huh? Every now and then.
Okay, have a good day.
All right, you take care.